In the previous lecture, we studied about India and its location and extent, which I have given you people to, find it out what are its location and extents. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study about Brazil, historical background of India and historical background of Brazil. Now, this lecture is going to be quite small as well. Now, previous lecture was small. ये भी lecture ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं होगा, छोटा ही रहेगा, 10 मिनट ज़्यादा. Okay, so starting with Brazil, we have Brazil. Name of the country is Brazil and its capital name is Brasilia. Now you have to find out, this is the assignment I am giving you. You have to find out its location and extent and then tell me what from which latitude and longitude it moves. Okay, this name of the capital is Brasilia. We are going to study in detail about Brazil and India and its distinguishes in whole book. Okay, this is just a starting. After this lecture, when we are going to have another lecture day after tomorrow, or after this I am going to continue with history. So day after tomorrow I will be continuing with history. इसके बाद जब geography का lecture होगा, I'll clear you with all the doubts of this chapter like location and extent and its boundaries. जो मैंने तुमको असाइनमेंट दिया है, you just check it out कि तुम्हारा जो आंसर है वो सही है कि नहीं. Okay, so historical background of India. Okay, India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century. Okay, 1.5 century means 150 years. India got independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine situations in various parts and similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country of the world. Okay, now 150 साल ब्रिटिशर्स ने रूल किया, इतने सारे वॉर्स हुए, हमारे फेमाइन्स आए, बहुत सारे कंडीशंस आए, बहुत सारे इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस आई, बट इंडिया is still a good developing country in the world. India is considered to be a global market too because of various economic reforms. From time to time, India's economic development has paced up. Now we have adopted various economic reforms like the economic reform of 1991 under the leadership of Dr. Manmohan Singh and Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Okay, the proportion of youth in India's population is high because this forms a major part of working population. India is looked upon as young country. Why India is looked upon as a young country? Because there are huge number of young people in India. बहुत कम population है जो एकदम you can say that बहुत dependent population बहुत कम, in simple words, below the age of 14 and after the age of 57, 59, 60. Okay, historical background of Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, more than 300 years, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. Brazil gained its independence in the year 1822. From 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under populist military government. From 1930 to 1985, it was under the military government. It has overcome global financial difficulties in late 20th century. Brazil is seen as contributor to the economic growth of the world and an important market in future. Now in the late centuries it overcome its all the financial difficulties. जितना भी पैसे का क्राइसिस था, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट था उनका, वो सब उन्होंने कर दिया. आज पॉपुलेशन भी बहुत कम है ब्राज़ील की. दे आर ह्यूज, हाईली डेवलप्ड कंट्री. हाईली डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में उनका काउंट होता है. मार्केट भी अच्छी है उनकी. सेकेंड थिंग, दे आर दी लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ कॉफी इन द वर्ल्ड. बहुत ज़्यादा कॉफ़ी एक्सपोर्ट करते हो लोग, बहुत ज़्यादा. ओके, सम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन हियर. So they have asked you certain questions. This is I'll give you for an assignment. Okay, name all the continents and oceans of the world. There are 7 continents and mainly 4 oceans. You have to name them. Color Brazil and India using different colors and name them. Now they have given you a map over here, world map over here. यहाँ पर तुमको ब्राज़ील को एक अलग कलर करना है, इंडिया को एक अलग कलर करना है. क्या है उनके टाइम पास है. Draw equator on the map and write its value in degrees. show the symbols for direction. Okay, which direction belongs to which part of the country, like north, south, southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest, and all also. Okay. So here we are done with historical background of India, historical background of Brazil, and I have given you one assignment that कि तुमको ब्राजील का लोकेशन एंड एक्सटेंशन बाउंड्रीज फाइंड आउट करना है. In the next lecture I am going to disclose you the answers of India and Brazil and its location and extents with its boundaries. Okay, I hope people enjoyed this small lecture. It was not much difficult, कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें, एक रीड भी कर लो खुद से टेक्स्ट बुक, तो it will get clear to you. Chapter was quite small. I hope you people understood. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and this video. Stay home till 17th of May and pray that the lockdown extend ना हो. If you are having any doubt, I am telling you people again and again कि तुम लोग WhatsApp करो, मैसेज करो या कमेंट करो and ask me the doubts. जो भी तुम्हारा कोई particular personal question नहीं होना चाहिए, it should be related to geography. Okay? Till then, thank you so much. Stay home. Stay safe.